beautiful people! Today ay tonight! Nandito kami sa Binondo, Manila! Ayan, magkakontent po tayo ng street style outfit. Ayan. As you can see, nandito tayo talaga literal sa street, guys. Ayan, kaya nakamas tayo kasi medyo maasta mo. And ayan, ipapakita namin sa inyo today kung paano kami nagsushoot ng mga fashion fashion outfit namin. Ayan. So, tara! Ayan guys, naghanap lang kami ng parking para dun tayo laging nagpapalit ng mga damit. Ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung saan kami nagpapalit ng damit. Ayan guys, nandito na lahat ng props namin sa loob ng kotse. From shoes, ayan, socks, and ayan yung outfit natin. Nandito na lahat para just in case maglalakad-lakad na lang kami kung mag-start na kami ng content. Ayan. Ayan, medyo pagulo guys, kaya hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo. Pero ayan talaga. Meron kaming mga outfit. Ayan, ipapost namin yung mga outfit na yan sa next vlog namin at sa content namin sa TikTok guys. Kaya, i-follow nyo yung aming TikTok page.
Kasama si Ate Lani.
People! Ayan, nakapagpalit na ulit tayo ng damit. Ayan, nagustuhan niyo ba yung outfit ko, guys? That it's too soon to fall.
Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sound. I done came back around like a nigga selling crack in pounds. I got a bag now, but it's nothing to brag about. Gun blast in the background, I'm a black man.
Hello guys, ayan, nakita ba yan? Ayan, buwis buhay talaga yung content natin guys. Maglalakad ako dyan. Kasi buwis buhay talaga yung mga content natin lagi.
Yan ang ating CEO guys.
Agaw buhay.
Ano agaw? Agaw buhay. Agaw buhay.
Pre, bigyan mo kasi.
Tote.
Na.
Wait lang, ma'am!
Sige, magiging kwento ka talaga.
Ma'am, ready na ma'am. Ma'am,
change location tayo guys ha. So, ayan, as you can see, medyo delikado talaga itong lugar na pinag-parking natin. Wala kasing parking na available dito. And later, dito kami sa bridge malapit. So, magkakontent tayo ng notes. So, ayan, sana pumili kayo kasi talagang delikado tong content na to. Dangerous content! Ito pala yung outfit ko guys. For the next day. Hello guys! So, dito tayo magkakante.
ma'am!
So, yan guys.
Madilim ma'am.
Ano yung next natin? Madilim pala rin.
Madilim, sobra. Ma'am.
Push the fucking pack off off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sound. I done came back around like a nigga selling crack in pounds. I got a bag now, but it's nothing to brag about. Gun blast in the background, I'ma push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sound. You can fuck around, hit the music, baby, cut it down. Hit the doobie while you do me, indubitably. I feel like I'm a bust now. I feel like a bust down.
Ate Lani. Meow meow. Tanda, tambay ulit. Boss. Oh.
Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa pang-last na nating outfit. Sobrang nakakapagod guys.
Pagod. Joms, pagod ka na, Joms.
Ayan guys, ang dami na nating nagawang content ha. And dito na natapos pala yung content natin guys. Sana natuwa kayo sa Buwis Buhay Challenge. Ayan, content natin for today. And sana, magustuhan nyo yung mga outfit na sinuot ko during the content. And ayan, please follow our page. Ayan, and dito ulit yung link. And ayan, please support our YouTube channel guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
For today's video, ibibenta namin si Ate Lani sa mga Chinese. Sino kaya ang unang customer?
May papayag kayang Chinese.
Ito ang ating aabangan. Sino kaya ang bibili kay Ate Lani?